guys are joining us, we are running into an issue. Our Jeep decided it wanted to misfire, caused all sorts of havoc, and what are you doing? Can you even see me?
Yeah.
And now we are tearing it apart. We're gonna see what's wrong with it, so follow along. What's going on is I'm pretty sure this fuel injector took a shit. Because I'm pretty sure it's leaking.
Would you rather have it leaning over into the motor or off to the side? Still leaning over it.
It's dead.
No, it's on.
We probably had it on the low mode. Or
This one looks good. Valve seats all look good on this one. So I'm not replacing any of those. I'm just going to put it all back together. Man, that like set down way better than last time. Like, what the heck? I'm just getting good at taking this thing apart.
Too bad we didn't have like a suction cup for that thing. You could have suction cupped it right to the
what the?
hood and just pointed it down.
Why is that one so much higher than those?
Just the way they made it.
You don't look like it's supposed to be like that.
So confusing.
Okay. Let's give it a shot.
Don't you need to put that back on?
No, I can leave it off there.
Ooh.
I say back up. just
Can you
in
help
case.
me?
What?
Can you take the camera? My knee cramped.
Yeah, it's still smoking.
I don't know if that's like a misfire or still out there. What?
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
It's hanging like it's got an air leak, a vacuum leak.
Well, could it be that you don't have the other thing on?
Could be.
But why is it smoking?
Could be.
It's so no longer like a fuel smell?